Hello all, this is Kavita Upadhyay. Today we are learning about the simplification method of simplification of Boolean expression using Karnaugh, that is K-map. The video is in two parts. Part 1 has the structure of K-map and part 2 has the process of simplification of Boolean expression. This is the structure of two variable K-map. Here A and B are the inputs or variable. 0 and 1 are the two values of A and B, 0 or 1. So this is the block. This has the table has the four blocks. This first block will represent the value of A0 and B0. This is structure of K-map of three variable. The three variable K-map can be represented by these three methods, three ways. Here we are using A in row. The value of A in row, in first row the value of A will be 0. In the second row the value of A will be 1. And the value of BC will be like this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Here we are using the sequence in gray code, not in binary code. In binary code, the value of BC will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. But here we are taking this as a 1, 1 first and then 1, 0. Here in BC also, here also we are taking 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. And here the value of AB is like this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. In all three K-maps, in all three structure, we are taking the gray code order. Why we are using, we will see in the next slide. Here is the structure of K-map for four variable. We can use AB here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 as CD here. And also we can use AB here and CD here. In this K-map, the value of AB will be in row and the value of CD will be in column. Here the value of AB will be in column and value of CDs will be in row. Now how we will label our blocks of K-map. We know that in sum of product form, the terms will be in this manners, A dash, A bar, B bar or C bar, or A bar, B bar, C. The values in sum of product, we will consider A bar as 0 and A is a 1. Means the complements of the variable will be considered as a 0 and the actual value of the variable will be considered as a 1. So this 0, 0, 0 or A complement, B complement, C complement term is represent as mean term 0, M0, and ABC is called as M7, the mean term 7. So this is the representation of sum of products terms, that is called mean term. How we will label our K-map? For two variable K-map, I told that this block is for A complement, B complement, and this will be called as M0 term. This will be for M0 term. This block is for M1, this block is for M2 and this block for M3. Here the value of A and B will be 1, 1. In three variable K-map, here we are considering A. So in the first row, the value of A will be A bar, that is 0, and the value of A will be 1. So the first term, this first block will represent M0 mean term. The second block here will be represent M1. And as we are taking a gray code here, so this block will be a second block M2 block and this will be 3. We have exchanged this two blocks. So here it is 1, 1 and here it is 1, 0. So it will represent M2 and it will represent M3. Then M4, M5 and it will represent M6 and then here M7. The last term ABC will be here it is M7. For four variable K-map, when we are taking AB here and CD in columns, so this first block will represent M0 mean term, that is A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement. This is M1 and here again as we have exchanged, we are using here gray code, so here it will be CD bar and here it will be CD. So the second block M2 will be here and M3 will be here. For four variable K-map, the M0 will be 0, 0, 0, 0, M1 will be 0, 0, 0, 1, M2 will be 0, 0, 1, 0. And here for the 4 variable, the values goes from 0 to 15. So last term will be 15, that will be here. Why it is here? As this is M0, M1, M2 and M3. Here it is M4, sorry. Here it is M4, M5, M6 and M7. And again in row also we have exchange, we are using gray code. So the AB complement will be here and AB will be here. So the 8th mean term will be here, 9 here, then 10, then 11 and then 12 will become here, 13, again here 14 and then 15. Okay. Now how we will make the entries in this K-map? It will be related to the truth table or the expression given for the minimization. If we have given the truth table, so we will take, when the y is equals to 1, we will put 1 in that related block and 0 at the related block. Here for AB in this truth table is given, for A equals to 0, B equals to 0, the output is 0. So we will put 0 in the block of A equals to 0, B equals to 0. So it is the first block 0. For the second block, here it is entry 0. For the third block, the entry is 1. For fourth block, the entry is 1. Here it is for the 2 variable. When we will see for 3 variables K-map, 0, 0, 0, that is A complement, B complement, C complement. M0 term is here. So M0, if the output for the M0 term will be 1, so we will make entry 1 in the M0 block. If M3 is 1, for y equals to 1 for M3, then we will put 1 in third block, M3's block. So there is a related block for the truth table. Here it is again example for 3 variable. M0 for 0 at term, M0 mean term 0, 0, 0. If y equals to 1, then we will put 1 here. For M1, 0, 0, 1, output is 0, so we will put here 0. Again here M3, for M3 the output is 1, so in M3 block we have put 1. For M4 it is 0, for M5 it is 1, for M6 it is 0 and for M1 it is, M7 it is 1. If we have given the Boolean expression, then how we will make the entries? Suppose this is our Boolean expression. The first mean term is A complement, B complement, C complement. So in this mean term, for the block of this mean term will be filled by 1. The block of another mean term is A complement, B complement, C. Then the block of A complement, B complement, C is this. So we will enter 1 here. The third mean term is A, B complement, C complement. This is that block. We have filled 1. For A, B, C, we have filled 1 here. The remaining blocks can be filled by 0. So, like this, we will make the entries of Boolean expression in the K-map. Thank you. Next minimization process will be seen in part 2.